Today we're going to bring a TP-Link USB Wi-Fi adapter. Now this one has a 2.4 or 5 Hertz. Now the adapter is made for PC or OS or Mac OS, like I said. So we're going to take a look at it and put it together and see how it works. Alright, in the box what you get is the actual system itself with the actual cable. We're going to take a look at it. It's a cable, so it's going to be a USB 3.0. 2 antennas, like I said, it could go 2.4 to 5 Hertz. So the system itself comes with, like I said, a cable, a 3.0 cable connectivity. If you guys notice, it's a little different. They also give you the actual booklet and including the drivers with a CD. So if you still have a CD player, you can get this actual software from here, or you could download it from the internet. So we inserted the CD because you do have a CD player, but like I said, you have an option, and in the book it tells you that you can go to their website and download it directly to there. If you don't have a CD player, this is necessary for someone that doesn't have a CD player. Installing from the CD is very simple. Unzip it, run the driver, it'll automatically install. Some PCs will automatically pick up the Wi-Fi. Once you establish connection, and like I said, we're running the actual the CD player from here. Once you establish connection, you can actually connect directly to the Wi-Fi. And here we are. Once we set it up, we're gonna look for our Wi-Fi connection, and then we can just directly connect into it. Now we do have OS drivers to install, those that have a Mac. But here we're just establishing connection, making sure that it's working. And once you find the connection, you're gonna see the icons change on the right hand corner, and everything's gonna pop up connecting to this stuff. Look for your wireless and connect to your wireless and put your password in if you have a password.
Now that the file is installed, under devices, there it is. There's the antenna. So let's open it up. Okay. Ethernet cable. So we have internet access. All right. This little antenna works good. Just connected to the USB. Now I did not have internet a few minutes ago, so let's give it a try. And we have Wi-Fi. Awesome.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.